This is our first attempt with Freddie to get to Ram Offroad Park. This is where we are. Everything is fantastic. It's an off-road park, and we're lucky because there was absolutely nothing that Freddie with these tires could not do. These are the Yokohama Geolandars, the street tires that the car came with, and we've already ordered and we're about to get the normal tires which this car will be using. This will be the Nitto Grappler's G3s. They're in that size, but they're 275 wide, so 275 2060. That is about actually exactly 33. This is 31 and 0.6 inch tires, and the car performed phenomenally. You can see how the sidewall looks after just a little bit of off-roading, and you can see a little better at the back. So it did some ruts, some V-shaped obstacles, but this is fantastic. I cannot tell you how kind of strange it feels with. I tested a couple of things. First, sway bar disconnect. It worked fantastically. It has never lifted a tire up front. And then the crawl control is simply a cheat. This car is cheating off-road because it has the crawl control in 4 low, and it's just insanely comfortable with any type of a terrain you throw at it, even with these tires. And you can see the only problem that we're going to have is we're going to change this mudguard to the first edition one, because I need the flexibility of that mudguard. And we never touched even that air dams up front. We have not removed that yet. It's still with the factory setting on the air dam, so we haven't even done this one to actually increase the approach angle. But the approach angle was fantastic. So I cannot tell you how this performed today. I will make a couple of videos and we'll have a couple of shorts, but the car performed phenomenally in Ram Offroad Park with everything that we have thrown at it. Well, it's not Moab, but we're going to go, when we change the Nittos to the Grapplers, we're going to go to Moab, even with the 20-inch wheels. We're going to go there because the capability of this, it is by far the best of anything that we have used. I can't imagine what we kind of going to have regarding the GX with the 4 corners that are disconnecting the sway bar, or the V6. So I have not driven that type of a car off-road, and probably I will. And I can't even imagine what will be the LX 700H that has triple locker and everything else. But just so you know, if you look at this car and where it is at the moment, and this is quite a good off-road park. So this good off-road park had 0 issues with the car, and the car had 0 issues with that park, which is the most important part. I love it. It is phenomenal. I can't tell you how happy I am to actually test it for the first time, and it's here. It performed fantastically. all the V-shapes challenges, all the ruts, all the, you know, the moguls that we have thrown in it. It's fantastic.
And as we wrap, here is a final look from above. This is a portion of Ram Offroad Park in its all rugged glory. This is where it happened today. This is where Freddie earned it today. And again, I hope you enjoyed this episode with us putting Freddie to the test at the off-road park. We make these videos for you, and we love doing them with care, with joy, and with a little trail dust in the air, especially today. Because today Freddie showed up big time. Street tires, moguls, rut, steep climbs, really tight turns, and the crawl control handled it like it was a cheat code. It was cheating with that crawl control. That's how I feel, and I'm comparing that with Roger, our Lexus LX 470. So, if this video spoke to you, if you felt it even a little, hit that like button and share it with someone who gets it. And of course, please subscribe. Leave a comment too. We read them all, and they mean more than you know. Thanks for riding with us, and bye till the next video. Yay!